We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing names from Norse and also from different video games, from Ark and Survival Evolved as well. Let's break down the pronunciation. In Icelandic or Norse, it's said as Fjordur. Fjord. So yeah, the J is pronounced like an I. So Fjordur. In English, it's generally simply pronounced as Fjordur. Fjordur. It's easy. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. Share it as well. Stay tuned. See you there. Thanks for watching.